Here's the scenario for our clients this week. Our clients are a couple who own their home and have a private mortgage with the husband's parents. When the purchase was made, only the husband went on title of the home, and the parents just arranged to have a private mortgage between them and their son. The husband and the wife who live in the home have average credit and average income. So it was easier for them at the time to do the private mortgage with the parents than go through dealing with a bank or a private lender. Now that some years have passed and their home has grown some equity, they want to refinance to buy out the parents' private mortgage, pay off a bit of credit card debt, put the wife on title, and also do some renovations. So is there a deal here? In this case, yes, but we had to do a lot of back and forth in order to make it happen. When it comes to refinancing, you need to make sure that there's enough equity in the property to take out for what you're using it for. You can only refinance 80% up to your home's total value. So debts, other mortgages, and renovation costs adds up very quickly. Here are some of the hurdles. At first, the bank wanted them to pay out every single one of their credit card debts, but then there wouldn't have been enough room for them to be able to pay out the parents' private mortgage and to do their renovations. So after a lot of back and forth with the lender, we had them agree to only require them to pay out one of their credit card debts, which left them enough room to pay out the private mortgage with the parents and do their renovations and tackle a good chunk of their debt still. This would also allow for the wife to be put on title. So long as there was a strong appraisal that came in, the lender did agree to do the refinance. So what are the takeaways in this deal? Private mortgages with family can be amazing, but you also want to factor in the long-term effects of what something like that can have. Because of the private mortgage with the family, the wife was never put on title. For some people, they're not bothered by that, but others, for comfortability reasons, they want to make sure that their name is on the house that they're putting money into and that they're living in. Oftentimes people will say, oh, you can refinance later and figure it all out, which yes is the case, but you need to make sure that you qualify, and our clients almost didn't. So always look at the big picture and remember to think long-term when getting into money agreements with family. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for weekly real estate deal analysis.